Table saw sleds are great for crosscuts, but they're big and bulky, and sometimes I just like to grab a miter gauge and go. But if the workpiece is too wide, your gauge has to extend off the front of the saw, and this can lead to catching as you make the cut. A simple solution is to make a support arm like this one that slips over your fence rail and fits snugly, keeping your miter gauge's fence horizontal as it reaches the front edge of the saw. To make it, use a table saw to nibble out the notch one kerf at a time, checking the fit as you go. I made mine out of plywood, which will be much less likely to split off that finger on the front later. Finally, trim the height of the support so that it sits flush with the top of the saw. Ridge Carbide is the best kept secret in woodworking. I kid you not, their saw blades are second to none, both in quality and performance, and they're less expensive than the other ultra premium brands. Do yourself a favor, use the link and the discount code below this video. You will never go back to cheap blades again. For more great tips, tricks, and tutorials designed to make you a better woodworker, check out Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal. You can read and subscribe for free at stumpynubs.com.